Arduino Uno R3 is where so many journeys begin. A blue little board, awaiting a chord, where one line of code lets the outside world in. At its heart, the 8-bit Atmega 328P moves at 16 MHz, a steady beat, simple, familiar, complete. 32 kilobytes of flash hold your program, with half a kilobyte reserved for the bootloader. 2 kilobytes of SRAM keep the present alive, and 1 kilobyte of EEPROM remembers, even after the power fades from the drive. 14 digital pins wait around the edge. 6 can pulse with PWM. 6 analog inputs can listen to light, heat, pressure, position, turning sensation into decision. A voltage can rise, a sensor can speak, and Uno can answer. Week after week, it runs at 5 volts and supports UART, I2C, and SPI. A USB-B connection lets you upload sketches and exchange serial data, while the familiar Shield layout lets displays, drivers, relays, and other modules settle neatly above the board. That makes Uno ideal for learning electronics, breadboard experiments, sensor systems, LED control, small robots, motor projects, home automation, test instruments, and rapid prototypes. It is not the smallest Arduino. It is not the fastest one. But its documentation is wide, its community stands beside, and countless examples are ready to guide. Connect a button, watch the input begin, write a condition, let the response flow within. Sense, decide, provide, one board, one code, one circuit coming alive. Arduino Uno R3. The familiar place where an idea receives its first pulse, and a silent component learns how to respond.